The future isn't a passive destination, a place we simply arrive at. It's not something we wait for idly, hoping it will meet our expectations. Instead, it's something we actively build, brick by brick, one idea at a time, one line of code at a time, one connection at a time. It's a collective effort, a shared vision brought to life through innovation and collaboration. As Pi 2 Day 2025 rapidly approaches, drawing nearer with each passing moment, we're not just marking another year in the life of a cryptocurrency, another milestone achieved. We're witnessing something far more profound, the powerful and transformative fusion of decentralized networks, offering unprecedented security and transparency, and generative AI, unlocking new possibilities for creativity and automation. This isn't abstract theory confined to academic papers or research labs. It's not a distant promise for the future. It's happening right now, in real time. It's unfolding inside the vibrant and dynamic ecosystem of the Pi network. Here, a global community, spanning continents and cultures, is actively redefining what it means to participate in the digital age, shaping a more inclusive and equitable future for all. GenAI dramatically lowers the barriers to entry. It transforms our everyday devices, from smartphones to tablets, from passive tools for consumption, into powerful engines of creation, innovation, and seamless collaboration. Blockchain technology initially promised users greater control over their data and digital assets. Now, GenAI delivers the practical means and intuitive tools to finally make that promise a tangible reality. Imagine being able to build a sophisticated digital service, not through complex coding, but simply by describing it in plain language. GenAI makes that seemingly impossible vision not only possible, but readily accessible. For the Pi network, this is far more than just another technological advancement. It's fundamentally about empowering individuals, regardless of their technical expertise, to build, transact, and connect directly with one another, all without the need for traditional intermediaries or gatekeepers. Now, with the power of GenAI, anyone can easily create decentralized applications, dApps. They can generate stunning digital art, or they can develop innovative AI-powered services that seamlessly integrate within the Pi network's expanding ecosystem. The Pi network provides the robust and reliable infrastructure, the foundational rails upon which innovation can thrive. And GenAI serves as the powerful creative engine, fueling the rapid development and deployment of these new applications and services. This powerful synergy propels us far beyond the limitations of simple transactions. It empowers us to move towards a future of true digital ownership, where individuals have complete control over their creations and data, and a world of boundless creative possibilities. As Pi 2 Day 2025 approaches, it's not just about celebrating growth in user numbers or transaction volume. It's about recognizing and celebrating the exponential growth in capability, the dramatic expansion of what's possible within the Pi network ecosystem. We're standing on the very edge of a Cambrian explosion of innovative applications and services. This explosion is being powerfully fueled by a vibrant and distributed community of developers and creators, all empowered by the accessibility and ease of use of generative AI. Pi Network began with a radical idea, a vision to reshape the digital landscape, to make cryptocurrency accessible to all, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. It was about leveling the playing field. GNI shares this spirit, a parallel mission to democratize access to powerful tools, democratizing creation through natural language, making sophisticated technology understandable and usable for everyone, so anyone can be a creator, regardless of their coding skills or design experience. The power to create is now in everyone's hands. Pi's mobile mining distributed ownership, a system where everyone can contribute and benefit. GenAI lets anyone generate content, no coding required, opening up a world of possibilities for non-technical users. When combined, these two forces create something truly special. These forces empower users to build the very services they want to use, tailored to their specific needs and desires. Here, users aren't just consumers, they are active participants in shaping the future of the network. They're builders, innovators, and co-creators of the Pi ecosystem. Pi's focus isn't just technical, it goes beyond the code and algorithms. It's social and economic, fostering a vibrant community and enabling new economic opportunities, aiming for a complete ecosystem where technology, community, and economy intertwine seamlessly. GenAI is the missing piece, the catalyst that unlocks the full potential of the Pi network. Letting pioneers create real-world value, build businesses, and solve problems using the power of AI, and transact in Pi, seamlessly exchanging goods and services within the Pi ecosystem. This transforms Pi from a store of value, a digital asset held for the future, into a bustling digital economy, a place where value is created, exchanged, and multiplied. Web3, powered by Pi and Gen AI, is not just a technological advancement, it's a paradigm shift. It's about owning your data, your creations, and your digital identity, creating new forms of art, expression, and innovation, and monetizing content in ways that were never before possible, directly rewarding creators for their contributions. Together, they're building a more inclusive digital world, a world where everyone has a seat at the table, where anyone with an idea and a smartphone can participate, contribute, and thrive in the new digital economy. Pi Network has always focused on real utility, not hype. Integrating Gen AI isn't a gimmick. It's about solving real problems for the community. Decentralization here means distributing both currency and the power to innovate. Gen AI tools let anyone in the community build decentralized apps and services. Pi's value comes from what you can do with it, like using AI to create digital art, automate services, or personalize education. People use Pi because it's useful, not just speculative. The enclosed mainnet is a sandbox for building and testing these utilities, free from market noise. This approach proves that a network's true value lies in its vibrant, creative ecosystem, now supercharged by Gen AI. At Consensus 2025, a pivotal event for the blockchain community, Pi founder Dr. Nicholas Kokkalis took center stage to share a compelling vision. He articulated a future for the internet that is not only technologically advanced, but also fundamentally more equitable, accessible, and human-centered. His focus wasn't on the speculative frenzy of prices, the volatile ups and downs that often dominate the crypto conversation. Instead, Dr. Kokkalis directed attention to the core mission of making Web3 a truly human-centered ecosystem, ensuring it's accessible and beneficial to all, regardless of their technical expertise or financial background. For blockchain technology to truly matter and achieve widespread adoption, it must transcend the hype and solve tangible, real-world problems that people face every day. It needs to seamlessly integrate into the fabric of daily life, becoming an invisible yet indispensable tool. Pi's answer to this challenge is to simplify everything, stripping away the complexity and jargon that often intimidate newcomers. This simplification extends from mobile mining, making it accessible on smartphones, to creating user-friendly interfaces that anyone can navigate with ease. And now, Gen AI is poised to be the next transformative step, bridging the gap between the immense power of blockchain technology and the everyday usability that mainstream adoption demands. Imagine a world where building decentralized applications, dApps, is as intuitive as using natural language. Gen AI makes this a reality, making development as easy and accessible as having a conversation. Dr. Kokkalis emphatically stressed the importance of utility, emphasizing that the future of Web3 hinges on creating applications that people genuinely want and need in their daily lives. Gen AI empowers small, agile teams to build solutions that once required the resources and manpower of large corporations, effectively leveling the playing field and fostering innovation from all corners. The most groundbreaking and impactful ideas can emerge from anywhere, especially within Pi's diverse and globally distributed community. The ultimate goal is to create a fair and truly distributed digital economy, one that is not controlled by a select few, an economy where individuals and small businesses are empowered to participate and thrive. Picture a local artisan leveraging the power of AI on a Pi dApp to effortlessly design, market, and sell their unique products to a global audience, seamlessly accepting Pi as a form of payment. This isn't a far-fetched fantasy or a distant dream. It's the core of Pi's strategic vision, actively being implemented and brought to life. Pi is far more than just another cryptocurrency in a crowded market. It's the foundational building block for a new, human-centered digital world, designed with inclusivity and empowerment at its heart. And with Gen AI as a key enabling tool, this vision is rapidly becoming a tangible reality. Technology matters most when it's useful. On Pi, Gen AI is already powering real tools for pioneers. Imagine a Pi marketplace. A seller types a product description, and AI generates listings, images, and videos, instantly leveling the playing field. Content creation is democratized. Users make digital stickers, avatars, or banners with simple prompts, owning their creations on the blockchain. These assets can be bought and sold with Pi, fueling a microeconomy. Small businesses use Gen AI to create menus, flyers, or social posts, paying with Pi. Educational dApps generate personalized learning plans for students. Even building dApps is easier. Describe your idea and AI helps code it. The result? An explosion of new apps and services. As barriers to creation fall, Gen AI on Pi turns every user into a potential creator and entrepreneur. For too long, powerful AI has been locked behind corporate gates. Pi Network challenges this, aiming to democratize AI for everyone, everywhere. With its global user base, Pi can distribute AI tools at scale. Embedding Gen AI in the Pi browser and dApps puts creative power in millions of hands. Now, a student in Asia or a business owner in Africa can access the same AI as anyone else. Pi can pioneer affordable, pay-per-use AI services. No expensive subscriptions required. The network could even run decentralized AI models, reducing reliance on big tech. When people have these tools, they solve their own problems, whether farming, teaching, or reporting news. Pi's mission: make Gen AI a tool for mass empowerment, not mass control. Pi's greatest strength is its community of pioneers. In the Gen AI era, this community is the engine of innovation. The future of Pi will be built from the ground up, by its users. Pioneers lead as users, creating demand for AI-powered dApps and strengthening the ecosystem. Every Pi transaction for an AI service is a vote for utility. Pioneers are also builders. Anyone can develop and launch dApps for a global audience. Hackathons and developer programs nurture grassroots innovation. The community curates and shares the best tools, driving organic growth. This collective intelligence is more effective than any centralized app store. Pioneers aren't passive. They're shaping the future of their digital economy. Decentralization isn't just a buzzword. It's essential for the future of the internet. Today, a few companies control our platforms, data, and algorithms. Pi offers a different path, a resilient, open, and fair digital world. Decentralized AI means no single entity owns the models or the data. On Pi, AI-powered dApps are transparent, secure, and user-owned. Smart contracts encode the rules, making them censorship-resistant. This foundation enables permissionless innovation and value flowing to creators. As AI shapes our world, building it on decentralized principles is a moral imperative. Looking beyond Pi, today 2025, a new digital world comes into focus. One built for everyone. Gen AI isn't about consolidating power, it's about distributing it. Pi is laying the foundation for a more inclusive, human-centered digital economy. With mobile-first access and intuitive AI tools, anyone can participate as a creator or entrepreneur. Value circulates within the community, rewarding creators directly. This is a peer-to-peer economy at global scale. Pi's patient, practical approach has created the perfect launchpad for the next internet wave. Gen AI empowers the community to build a vibrant ecosystem of apps and services. This is more than a roadmap. It's a blueprint for a digital future where everyone has a stake.